It is now time for everybody's favorite game, What's in the Box? Starring myself, Josh the PEZ Guy. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ Guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, have your questions, comments, concerns. Can't hold me back. Any and everything down below. Oh, wow, that didn't want to bust open. Now then. There's one. There's two. There it is. All right. Yeah. I am so excited about these. Here, wait a minute. No, maybe. Yes. Ooh. DBP 818829. And then look at that IMC 7. And it's partial cheeks. And it's the metal hinge. Oh, look. I need a poker. See the little letters? There and there. Hopefully you can see the letters there. And we have our patent here underneath of the chin. So, oh, look at this. See the eyebrows. Those are definitely Hong Kong eyebrows. That is really cool. Okay, let's set this aside. And our other yellow bag. Oh, look at that! IMC 7. DBP 818829. Removable nose. Has the letters back here. Yep. Alright, so why is Josh so excited about that? Because there's a third dispenser! Alright, which one is this one? Can you see in there? Has no feet. This is a no feet Donald Duck PEZ dispenser. And it is going to join the Donald Duck clan. Look how they're above us all. You certainly do, Andre. You certainly do. Of Donald Ducks. So, back to the dispensers at hand. Let's throw a Donald Duck one out there as well. IMC 7. The DBP 818829. These do not have made in countries, so that means, more than likely, they were for release in Europe. So they weren't going to come here to the States. Now, when you compare these characteristics, let me grab one of these. Oh, there we go. When you compare the 3-4 Hong Kong, do you see that IMC 7 there? The hell with doing the still video thing. Come on. Alright. So you see the 7? You notice this 7? It's really hard to see. So they are similar, but they are different. But when you look at the heads, and we will, you notice that the eyebrows are going to be similar. Yeah, I didn't need to receive a message. Come on now. And then when we look at the back of the heads, oh, I didn't grab one with a Wait a minute. Let's try this one. Wait a minute. This is so confusing. So here we have another IMC7. It's that weird IMC7. See it there? Okay, here's the DBP, correct? Yes. DBP. Weird 7. Kind of a different 7 on this 3-4 Hong Kong. It's actually going into the P. When I look at this dispenser, it has the U.S. patent number of 3.4, but with no country. And it has that weird IMC7. So does that mean this is the replacement? And even when you look at the back of the head, those inner sleeves are almost identical. The heads, I mean, they're identical. Okay, this is Hong Kong. So when I see this DBP 818829 and I see this weird IMC7, it's actually trying to become that 7, which eventually ended up being this 7. But luckily we have a Donald that will teach us that even that 7, this weird one, yeah, DBP. So if we get nerdy about it, DBP were released in Europe. The ones with the patent numbers and no made-in countries down here are identical to DBP with no made-in country. Because this is the W.I.T.B patent. I know I didn't say it properly to all those who speak German correctly, but the W.I.T.B patent, that's the patent number, similar as this is a patent number. So there's no made in country, no made in country. So these were released in the European market. And I'm glad they made their way here for me to make this video. But see this where it says made in Hong Kong? This is released in the US market. So now we all learned something together. Wow! Now here's my question. Is the DBP, this one right here, DBP 818829, IMC7, was it made in the same factory at the same time as the Blue Stem Mickey Mouse 2.6, made in Hong Kong? Do you have any Mickey Mouse Blue Stem 2.6 made in Hong Kong? Do you have any 2.6 Hong Kong that is not an Indian chief? If you do, please inform us here at the PEZ book. We're trying to figure out some stuff. And these dispensers are leading us in the right direction. So until next time...